I'm Aubrey, and I'm going to show you how to make a skinny margarita. Okay, so it's Cinqo de Mayo today, and I'm in France, and they don't celebrate it, but I'm going to. So first you want to take Mezcal or Tequila. I personally prefer Mezcal. We're going to use about 2 ounces of that. I am making a double recipe. If you don't have a jigger, then it's about 4 tablespoons to make 2 ounces. And next you'll notice that I have everything already staged here. I'm using fresh lime juice, really important because the syrups and all the mixtures have a lot of calories in them. So next we're going to use 1 ounce of lime juice. And instead of using Condrieu, I'm just going to use some fresh orange juice, also just squeezed. I'm going to use about ½ an ounce per cocktail. And I like to add a little bit of agave. It's your call on how much you like to add. I don't like it to be too sweet personally. This would be maybe 1/4 ounce per recipe. So while I'm getting prepared, if you like salt, then you can just put a little salt on the plate. I have cayenne pepper with mine as well. And then in just a second here, we're going to run the edge of a glass with a lime wedge, dip it in salt, and then shake up our cocktails. You just need to gently roll it. More coarse salt works really well here. And while I'm doing this, one note on tequila. Don't worry about spending mucho pesos to find the best tequila, but do look for something that's 100% blue agave. It only needs to be 51% to be considered tequila, but blue agave is definitely the superior plant and will give you a better flavor. All right, let's shake it up. Just want to shake it till it's cold. About 20 seconds. Whew. Get an arm workout in. And then just pour it directly in there. I'm using a jar because I don't have a shaker, and it works just fine. Finish with your lime wedge. And cheers.